Welcome to ilectureonline. And our last example for these word problems where we use factoring to solve them is the following. A hotel will be fully occupied, all 40 rooms, if the cost is $30 per room. For each $1 increase, one more room will be vacant. What should be the cost per room if the gross receipts should be $1,225 per night? So without any change in the price, we have 40 rooms, they're all occupied, $30 per room, so we can see that the gross receipts, GR for gross receipts, is equal to the cost per room times the number of rooms. So if nothing changes, if we don't add any cost to each room, then the gross receipts, without any change, will be $30 times 40 rooms, which is $1,200. But we want to increase that. We now want to get $1,225 per night. So that means that the gross receipts is going to be equal to, well, depends how we're going to explain that, but let X equal the increase in cost. Okay, so if X equals 1, that's $1 increase. If X equals 2, that's $2 increase. So the cost per room is now going to go from 30 to 30 plus X, whatever X is. But then the number of rooms that are occupied is going to be reduced by every increase, every dollar increase. In that case, that's going to be 40 minus X. If X is 2, then of course, there will only be 38 rooms occupied. And the gross receipts need to be 1,225. So 1,225 is going to be equal to the 30 plus X, the amount of dollars per room, times the number of rooms. And we need to solve that for X to see how much we need to increase the price. So if we multiply everything out, we get 1,225 is equal to 30 times 40, which is 1,200. 30 times minus X is minus 30X. 40 times X is plus 40X. And minus X times X is minus X squared. Combining like terms, we have 1,225 is equal to 1,200 plus 10X minus X squared. And moving everything over to one side instead equal to 0, we get X squared minus 10X plus 1,225 minus 1,200 is equal to 0. And combining those like terms, we get X squared minus 10X plus 25 is equal to 0. Now that one we can solve by factoring. So we're going to write this as the product of two binomials. And notice we need an X and an X. Both need to be negative because the last term is positive and the middle term is negative. And two numbers multiplied together give me 25, added give me 10. That looks like 5 and 5. So that means that X minus 5 equals 0 or X minus 5 equals 0. So in this case, there's only one solution. We know that X must equal 5, which means that we should increase the cost per room by $5. There'll be 5 less rooms occupied, but then you can see that the gross receipts will be equal to, that will be 30 plus 5, multiplied times 40 minus 5, that's the number of rooms, times the cost per room, which is 35 times 35, and we'll multiply that, that will be equal to 1,225. Do you know how you can do that very quickly without a calculator? 35 times 35, what you do is you go 30 times 40 and add 5 squared, the difference between. So 30 times 40 is 1,200 plus 5 squared is 1,225. And that is how it's done.